Hello guys, welcome back to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa, and guys, it is time for another collaboration. And if you're ready for this collaboration and who I'm collaborating with, stay tuned.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
So guys, it is once again another beautiful collaboration, and it is with my beautiful sister Kimberly at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. And today guys, we are now doing our summer coffee beverage bar cart or space that you choose. Well guys, I do have a space in my breakfast room, and I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go through this together. But guys, I'm gonna give you a bonus because I'm gonna give you one of my favorite iced coffees. And also my bar, guys, is more of an iced coffee bar, fitness, health type bar. So come on, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, guys, this is my bar space that I created in my breakfast room, and I'm gonna take you through and talk to you everything about it. I went ahead on and put it together so I didn't take up so much time because I do want to give you also an iced coffee drink. So the first thing is, guys, I have these, and then you have seen these a trillion times whenever I do a coffee bar collab. So these are just some mugs, and they're all put together, and they did come from Amazon. And then the coffee sign, guys, that did come from, if I'm not mistaken, it came from Hogan Goods, if I'm not mistaken. So nope, Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and talk about the goodies that's on the bottom. Let's go from left to right. So what is a bar without some sweet, guys? So we do have some sweet. So the first one, this is the Cinnabon marble cake. And guys, so far, I have not tasted. My daughter picked this up because I didn't feel like doing any baking. So this is what they look like. And also, do you all remember the critter donuts from Krispy Kreme? So guys, these are the critters. So I did taste them. They're not that sweet, and I really love them not being so sweet. Guys, y'all so used to seeing my small ninjas, so I decided to pull out my big ninja because we've been doing a lot of shakes. So this is my big ninja. Also with my ninja, see, you can do smoothies, you can do ice cream, you can do all of that inside this one. And also I do have another piece that's smaller than this that I can do like guacamole or anything like that in it. So it comes out real handy. Now on this, I have a piece of granite. This is a Granite Riser, and this did come from Ross Department Store for $5.99. And if you're on my TikTok, I have shown you guys and I changed these to. These are bathroom soap pumps, guys. Yes. So look at the handles. They were $5.99 a piece. And in the first one, I have the pecan syrup. Then I have the mango syrup, and this one is the pineapple. So I have not put my labels on it, but I do know them apart. So this is another way, instead of you paying so much for the pumps and the aesthetically not pleasing. So I use these because they are small and it's just what I needed. On the back here, guys, I have my Tazo tea. If y'all like Tazo and you haven't tried these, you need to. This is the glazed lemon loaf. Absolutely so good. You see, your girl been all up in it. Right behind that is my 3 ballerina tea, and I just use that once a week. And I decided to find something else to give me a little pick-me-up, but without being all boozed up. So this is a Dragon Fruit Celsius, and it's a Live Fitness. So this is 14 packs. I did pack this up from Walmart, and it was like $11. So guys, I'm gonna also show you how to make a smoothie or slush using this also. So look for those videos because I will be doing a lot of healthy drinks using some of these items. Also, because of the drink that I will be doing, I do have this, and it's a chocolate nut crunch. So the drink that I will be doing will have this in it, and it did come from Big Lots for $2.50. And this is just the other piece to my Ninja. Here is my other side. These are my glasses, guys. I did pick these up from the Christmas tree. They were 48 cents a piece, and they are the tall ones. And see, the mouth is much smaller, but I absolutely love these. And when you're doing drinks and you're doing on your reels, it looks so good. And also here are the bigger ones. The mouth are bigger. I did pick these up from Kroger. They was $2.50. I want to show you the difference in the sizes. So here is the difference. One is much bigger, and the mouth on this one is much larger. But this one was 48 cents. This one was $2.49. Also, you know, I love my Javi. So this is the coffee concentrated, and I have my blender, my mixer. Guys, I do have the Father, but I have been using this lately. My Father is by Williams-Sonoma, but I've been using this because it's just so easy. Usually I have the bottom in a plastic sleeve, and it does not come along with it, but it's very easy to find on Amazon, or just use a Ziploc bag. So back here, I do have another glass container. This one came from Target, and it's like when I'm doing my matcha. I like to put it in there and blend it. That's where it's not popping out or whatever. And right behind it, guys, is my on-to-go cups. And it says best day ever. So I do have those. Oh, inside this also, guys, are my straws. I do have one of the other straws that you will be seeing, and it's a glass straw. These are plastic. This is the metal one. But guys, let me tell you, I don't like the metal ones. Anything metal or the ones with color, I am so afraid of, because you don't know if this clean them real well. That is what's on the top. And my riser, guys, is a 2-tier riser, and it has glass in it. So that is the riser. So here I do have some white chocolate also. This is my matcha, guys. I drink matcha almost every day, but only twice a week I will use chia seeds. Chia seeds, heads up, will make you, you know, I don't have to tell you. So right behind it is my granola, and I do purchase this granola from Sprouts, and guys, it is so good. Let me see if I can get it open. So that is the granola, guys. It is so absolute. Look at that huge pecan. So it's absolutely so good. So sometime I will just grab some granola and make me a matcha, and that would be sometime breakfast. So also, guys, this huge glass mug came from IKEA. So I think I paid like $2 and something for this mug. So if you want this, here is the barcode. Here is the style number. So that is what it is. But guys, it is huge. So let me put it right here. It is huge. It is very in the mouth. It's very big. So yes, I pick up this mug. So whenever I want to drink some hot tea, and the Celsius, you can also drink the Celsius ready. You can drink that hot also. So I got this mug because it will definitely do the trick of what I want when I drink something hot. So guys, this is the overall of what my board looks like. So now, guys, I'm gonna give you a bonus because I am gonna give you one of my favorite drinks that I do drink as far as iced. So I'm gonna give you a pecan iced coffee. So now let's guys, this is my rendition of a pecan cold brew, and you know I already put it all in there so I can taste this. Oh, that's so good. That is very good. So I will put on the side of my screen, trying to catch my whipped cream. I will put on the side of the screen right here all of the ingredients for the pecan cold brew. Guys, I love cold brew coffee. Well, iced coffee because I didn't brew it. I use instant because it is very quick to use. But to do with the brew, what I do is use my press. I set my coffee out with water overnight, and then I just put in my press in the morning to remove the grinds and go ahead and fix my coffee. So that is how I do it. Guys, please let me stop first and thank my beautiful sister, Kimberly. You know, if you have a collab and your girl can go and follow in, you know I will always be a part of it. So I just found out about it on yesterday. Look at my hair. I just found out about yesterday because I have been in and out of YouTube, but I have had so many things going on. But I was like, wait a minute. Thank God for community tab, because I was like, my girl's having a collab. I don't need to purchase anything. I have everything. So let me go ahead and do this quickly. So Kimberly, sis, thank you for another wonderful summer bar cart. And guys, if you have not seen any of my content, if you're new here to my home, hello and welcome. I am Vondessa, and my channel now, it used to be Veeology, but it took me a while to say, okay, I'm going to change it to my name. So I did change it about a month ago to Vondessa J. My first name is Vondessa, and my last name starts with a J. So guys, please do like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, and you know what I always say at all of my videos at the end. I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Cheers. Bye, guys.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry, so say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. 'Cause it's too late.